Hey Cubbies, I was sent the new Salon Pro 30-second natural eyelash adhesive. It's contact lens friendly, no ammonia, dries quickly, it has a long-lasting flexible hold, and it's waterproof. And my eyes watered a lot today, so it did hold up. You want to very gently pull off the lashes from the tray, and I'm going to apply a thin line of glue. I got a little sloppy on this first application because I was heavy-handed. So I'm just putting on some mascara before I apply my lashes. And I'm going to start on the outer corner, working towards the inner corner. And I'm just pressing the lashes into my lash line, getting as close as possible to my lash line so that it looks more realistic. And like I said, I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm applying some mascara. Now guys, the glue should dry for about 30 seconds before you apply it to your eye. That's why I go ahead and put the mascara on and let it dry for a little while. And afterwards, I put mascara on to blend it. This is the Salon Pro 30-second natural eyelash adhesive, and it's available at your local beauty supply store. I love you guys. Bye!